So my mom's original Apple Pencil second generation died, as I explained in my video yesterday, or so she thought, because, well, it did work yesterday, but now it's apparently not working, so yeah, as a result, my mom ordered another Apple Pencil second generation that initially got lost in transit, so she then ordered a USB-C Apple Pencil, which I unboxed in my video yesterday, and then this thing got unlost, and now it's here, so let's go and let's unbox this thing. So this right here just explains how to use an Apple Pencil second generation from 2018. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's unwrap the plastic wrap on here, because you can tell how old this thing is by the fact that it's still wrapped with plastic, which Apple does not use anymore. And then, like any other Apple Pencil box, it just slides out like so. Designed by Apple in California. And right here you get all your... You actually do get a manual with this one, like the USB-C Apple Pencil, because again, this is slightly older. And alongside some regulatory information. But as you can tell right here, this is the manual, so that's pretty cool. And then this right here is the actual Apple Pencil itself, which is wrapped once again in plastic. But if we go ahead and take this off, as you can tell, this comes off nice and clean. So now let me go ahead and zoom the camera back out. And I'm going to go ahead and set and attach it right here. And no, this iPad isn't actually cracked, it's just a screen protector that is cracked. And right here now is just working just like normal. So I'm quite glad that my mom was able to find this for herself. So do you own an Apple Pencil second generation, or did you? If so, what are your experiences with it? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes family, and as always, peace out.